Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Melinda Suci Ramadhani and I'm from Technocrat University. Today, I would like to discuss an important concept in the digital era, which is digital business model innovation. In the world we live in today, businesses are no longer competing only with price, product, or physical presence. Instead, the real competitions happen in how effectively a company can design, adjust, and innovate its business model using digital technology. So, our focus today is to understand how digital innovation can reshape the way a business creates value, delivers value, and captures value. Digital business model innovation refers to transforming the traditional way a business operates by integrating digital tools, platforms, and data to offer new value to customers. Instead of simply adding technology on top of existing operations, this concept encourages businesses to rethink the foundation of how they work. For example, companies that once rely on face-to-face sales can now shift into online engagement, subscription models on demand service, or platform-based ecosystems. It's not just about using technology, it's about changing the logic of the business and how the business interacts with customers, partners, and the market. The main reason digital business model innovation is important is because customer expectations have changed. People now expect convenience, personalization, speed, and seamless service, all of which are supported by digital systems. If a business continues using old methods while competitors adopt modern digital strategies, that business will fall behind. Digital innovation also allows companies to reach wider audience, operate more efficiently, and create new revenue streams. In simple terms, innovation helps businesses survive and grow in the digital era. There are several ideas that usually shape digital business models. I'll explain them in a flowing structure so the logic is easier to follow. First, there is value creation. In a digital business model, value creation often comes from technology-based service. For example, recommendation algorithms, real-time communication, self-service platforms, or automated support systems. Businesses create value by making customers' lives easier and more connected. Next, we have value delivery. This refers to how the business brings that value to customers. Digital channels such as apps, websites, chat automation, and online platforms allow customers to interact anytime and anywhere. In other words, digital innovation removes the limits of distance, location, and time. Then there is value capture. This is about how the company earns profit. Traditional businesses might rely on one-time purchase, but digital businesses can use new models like subscriptions, membership, pay-per-use, premium service, or digital marketplace fees. This creates more stable and scalable revenue. Let's look at some examples so this idea becomes easier to imagine. A traditional taxi company earns money per ride and requires physical vehicle availability and human drivers. But when a company like Grab or Gojek enters the market, they don't own the vehicles. Instead, they create a digital platforms that connect driver with customers. The innovation is in the business model, not in transportation itself. Another example is Spotify. In the past, music listeners has to buy CDs or download songs one by one. But Spotify changed the business model by offering subscription-based streaming. Now people get access to millions of songs anytime. Spotify doesn't sell music, it sells access. This example showed that digital business model innovation is powerful because it changed the rules of the game. To successfully design a digital business model, a company needs to begin with understanding the customers. Technology is useful, but it should support what people actually need and value. So, the starting point is always listening to the customer. This can be done by observing customer behavior, collecting feedback, analyzing digital interactions, or studying how customers work through a buying process. After understanding customer needs, the company can begin shaping its business model. This often involves rethinking the product or service, the platform, and the experience that customers will go through. Some businesses choose to create apps where customers can reach service instantly. Others build digital communities where customers interact with each other. And some companies combine both a seamless online platform supported by data insights and personalized recommendations. Even though digital innovation brings many benefits, it also comes with challenges. One of the biggest challenges is organizational resistance. Many employees or leaders may feel comfortable with the old way of working, and they may hesitate to change. This is why innovation is not just about technology, it is about mindset and culture. Another challenge is the investment in digital infrastructure. Technologies such as cloud computing, automation, or data analytics may require financial support and time to implement. There is also the challenge of digital skills. Employees need to learn how to use new tools effectively. And if the company does not invest in training, the innovation may fail because the people are not prepared. And finally, there is the challenge of cybersecurity. When everything becomes digital, protecting data and preventing security breaches becomes critical. Companies must ensure safety, trust, and privacy in every digital interaction. To successfully implement digital business model innovation, a company needs to cultivate a culture that supports change. This means encouraging employees to experiment, share ideas, and adapt quickly when something does not work. Communication also plays an important role. Leaders must clearly explain the reason behind the innovation, the goals, and the expected benefits. When people understand the purpose, they are more willing to participate and contribute. Another key factor is collaboration. Digital innovation works best when different departments work together. Marketing, IT, operation, customer service, finance, all must align to create a consistent and powerful digital strategy. And lastly, digital business innovation should be seen as an ongoing process, not a one-time project. Companies must continue to learn, improve, and evolve along with customer expectation and technological change. So, to conclude our discussion today, Digital business model innovation is not just about adopting technology. It is about reimagining how value is created, delivered, and captured in a world where digital experience shape the expectation of every customer. Businesses that are willing to innovate will gain growth, resilience, and competitive advantage. Those that fail to adapt risks become irrelevant. As the future professionals and leaders, understanding how digital business models work prepares us to build solutions that are not only functional but meaningful, scalable, and impactful. Thank you for your attention. My name is Melinda Suci Ramadhani from Technocrat University. I hope today's learning helps you to see how digital innovation truly transforms the business landscape.